Okay, folks, I found this website. It's Law Help Interactive Legal Documents Made Simpler, powered by probono.net. Okay, I'm going to leave the link below. Now, when you go in here, just if I were you, I'd go ahead and fill out an account. That way you can do things a lot easier, and it only takes a couple minutes to make an account. Everything here is free. A lot of it is linked to the court websites in your state. So the documents will be coming from the court, or they will be a court approved for you to use. This is going to save you a lot of money on instead of paying a lawyer or an attorney, because this is really simple stuff. And yes, it still costs you money, which would be gas and time and printing and notarization on some of them. So anyways, you're going to do the, you're not a professional as far as a legal professional. Unless you are, then you can use this too. So it's both for legal professionals and self-help pro bono. Now I'm in the state of Michigan. I'm going to hit search again, and what is going to happen is it'll say, yeah, Michigan has self-helper forms. And these forms are court approved and stuff. And then down here, you're going to be like, what happened? There's nothing, no list. Well, it's just this bottom little bar. It'll say it for your state too. Go to your state self-helper forms, and you go there. Now let's say somebody died and didn't leave a will, and their estate is so small that it's, just too small to even worry about or whatever, or even if it's a larger estate or whatever, you can find all your stuff in here on what to file, and you do not need an attorney, but it'll have a section. Each of these, each state has, probate and all that, so they're going to have their forms and stuff, and like I said, these are all court approved. I'm going to show you, just using this as an example. Now it's going to say, well, which form in that category, wills and life planning. Now, if you don't have a will, you're still going to go in a category like this, because you're looking up for like small estate, transferring property when someone dies. I'm going to do that one. I'm going to show you a couple things about it. This toolkit tells how to distribute someone's property after they have died. Small amount of property to distribute. In all states, the spouse gets everything in the beginning, the surviving spouse, and then it goes from there. Now, like when you go to fill this out, it's going to give you options. Do you want this form or that form? As far as, they're going to ask you, do you want to do a certain kind of affidavit or whatever? And it'll give you directions on, you can just go back and read the definitions to those type forms, just to make sure that it applies to your case. And then you can go back through and edit it back out. You can download it. You can e-file it. You can do whatever. Everything is free. So, and it's like dealing with a robotic lawyer, an automated lawyer, because when you fill out the forms, it automatically does the adjustments, the mathematics of like a small estate, and like if whoever pays for the funeral costs, and and stuff like that, when dealing with a no-will situation. And it's real super easy. It really is. And you get these, you can just go print them out. You can put them on one of these things like this. this thing right here that you could put it on one of these or one of them little ones, but usually go with these when you take it to a place to print it, unless you print it yourself on your own printer, which mine is messed up and not linked to my laptop here. But so I'm going to put it on this, and I'm going to take it down to this postal place that also does notary. So all I got to do is print them out there, fill it out. Well, it's already filled out because this website walks you through to fill it out. You know, it's a toolkit, and the forms themselves, it's like you don't even have to deal with a lawyer, but it's almost like you're dealing with one. It's everything that a lawyer would do, attorney, lawyer, whatever would do, and file for you, that you turn around and pay them a lot of money. When this website and the links to the court and these court-approved documents walk you through it. It's a toolkit. It walks you through it, fills out the forms, all the calculations are done by the website, and bam. Then you can print it out, download it, share it, do whatever with it, e-file. So anyway, it's all free, and I had to share this website because a lot of people out there need legal help and cannot afford it. You know, I know there's also fees involved when you're filing this stuff, so you'd rather, if you have to spend money, wouldn't it be better just to spend the money to file these documents and get the notary versus paying an attorney several $100s or thousands of dollars on top of it? That's not right. We are all human. We all have brains, and we can think for ourselves, and, you know, you do not have to have an attorney on every single thing. There's ways about it. I am so grateful for this website. It is so good for the people. People need to handle their own legal matters. It's gotten so out of hand that you hear people's stories and how these lawyers and attorneys just get a lot of money from them for filing simple court forms that you can do yourself. Okay. Don't be afraid. It's all, approved by the courts. Just fill it out. It'll walk you through, and it's you don't have to go outside your house to go visit some attorney's office and then turn around and go back with a bunch of paperwork, because you can do this right from the comfort of your home. You have all your paperwork generally right there, and then you can go from there. This is going to save you a lot of money and time. And good luck, good luck.